Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and in this video I will show you how to install Anaconda on Windows operating system. To install Anaconda, first we need to download the installer from the Anaconda official website in your machine. So open your browser and type anaconda.com. After this, search and go to the anaconda.com official website and click here free download button. And after that you can see you have to first create your account. After creating your account you can download by the clicking of the link free download. So as you can see, downloading task is done. Now go to your download folder on click this little icon and it will take you the download folder. Now double click on this installer. You can minimize this window and you can minimize this as well. Now click next, I agree button and leave default as is just for me. And you can choose your path from here. Go to browser setting, go to next and keep this as same and go to click install button. Leave everything as default. Now the installation is going on. Now installation is complete. Click next button, click next and uncheck this check button and do the finish button. And go to your browser and search Anaconda Navigator and launch the Anaconda Navigator. And now under all applications, select the installed application portion under the base environment. Now you can choose Jupyter Notebook, click launch button and minimize this window and make this. Now click the new button and select your Python 3 kernel. Uh, Now for here you can print Python program. Now you can see your Python program is working. So Anaconda is installed successfully.